Okay, so we have grounded body, pendulum string, pendulum weight, three bodies. And now we are ready to run the mechanical simulator. So I'm going to save this, Control S, save it as bodies. And now I'm going to run the simulator. So I'm going to once more save as. MechSim, save. Okay, it's saved as it is now, but if I make changes, I won't overwrite the previous one. I'll overwrite MechSim 3. MechSim 3 for three bodies. Right, so now I go and I say, fine, I need to go to MechSim. Right, so I'm now in simulation mode. I need to initialize my simulation. So that's the icon to initialize and that will then make at least two containers here. The one is some global variables that we've initialized. The other one is the forces that we've created, and in this case only gravity automatically. And then over here we actually have created links between the bodies and all type of things. So it's done a whole lot of work which we don't need to worry about at this stage. But we can now go and simulate this. So run the analysis. Okay. Can make this, close that down so we can see this nicely. And so time length 10 seconds, time step, let's make it 1,000th of a second. FreeCAD unfortunately has a limit to the number of digits that it puts in on the screen, and that limit is fixed. So if you want to add a number to the number that's already there, you must at least delete a number for it to replace it. I know that sounds complicated, but if you come there and click and it won't change, if I click there and I put a 1 in, it won't. Okay, only if I delete that and put a 1 in will it change. It's just a glitch in FreeCAD. It's got nothing to do with some MechSim. Okay, so now we're going to solve this, and for now we're going to solve it, not only the animation but the whole tutti. So I'm going to call it tutorial 1 bodies 3. Okay, so that's going to be the CSV file which we're going to load into our LibreCalc. There we are, LibreCalc program. We'll do that in a moment. Fine. So it's called tutorial 1 bodies. We can select the directory it's going to be written in by just clicking browse and going to some other directory, and there we've set the time length and the time step and the accuracy we require. So we solve. Okay, and it is now considerably faster than it was previously. So we're going to 1,000 steps at maximum accuracy. Maybe I must eat my words with the speed. It's much faster if we only ask for the animation. Anyway, everything is done. That's all done now. So we can actually go to our animation, and and up will come our controller for the animation. So I can push play, and it's moving, but the speed is very slow because we have 1,000 steps per second. So there we are, we have let this run, and there's 1 second gone by, and our pendulum has gone through 1 second. And my specific string for this test is made so that the period of my pendulum, the total period is 1 second. It's confusing that in jargon, a 1 second pendulum is referred to, or a pendulum, which is called a 1 second pendulum, has a second swing one half and a second swing the other half. So a so-called 1 second pendulum has a period of 2 seconds, just so that we get that straight. Fine. So our simulation is working nice and efficiently. We can stop that, close it. We can even close. I'm just going to save this, and we even can close our